Nairobi, Kenya, Africa. So if you're watching for the first time, kindly subscribe, give this video a like. Oh my god. Very, very bad situation.
You never enter that
Hah?
Una record?
Lego rekodiwa. So honestly, we have nothing to say about these rains. We can't question God, but it will get better. Situation will be okay. The roads are impassable. So if you're watching for the first time, make sure you subscribe so that you can get updated on what's happening here in Kenya, Africa. Kenyan government needs to do something about this. Not only this area, but also in other areas. A lot of people have died. Properties have been damaged. So we are praying and hoping that our government sees all this and do something. I'm trying to update you on what has been happening here in Kenya for like a whole week. If you're watching for the first time, can you subscribe, share this video with your friends, and you are praying and hoping that everything will be okay. I can't say that I'm safe, but somehow I'm safe. I'm coming live from Nairobi, Kenya, guys. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. Take me to 5,000 subscribers. Hey, the water has reduced. Bad situation, bad situation. Yeah, I'll keep you updated on what's going on each and every day. We'll be getting more updates about the floods, the rains, and all that. So if you don't want to miss all this, make sure you subscribe and put that notification bell on, so then another bad situation vipi bro, uko fiti? Yes, vehicle are not moving, huh? Yeah, I'm trying to show you what has been happening around. So make sure you don't miss the updates, praying and hoping that the situation will get better. Oh my God, flooding everywhere. Guys, let me tell you, this is a road and vehicles are not passing on this road. Like, it's for this it's for only risk takers. You can see the water is moving, but if like that small car there is trying to risk, but it's okay. People need to be careful. People need to be careful, more so during this rain season. So guys, let me end this video over here. You know, I was coming live from Fedha Estate, located in Nairobi, Kenya. So make sure you put that notification bell so that you can be notified when Claudia uploads a new video or gives you an update. So it's raining a lot, even now it's raining, so, and even it's getting late, so fiti waje. So make sure you put that notification bell so that whenever Claudia Works uploads a new video, you will be among the people to subscribe, to get notified. Sorry. Sorry, something is interrupting. Anyway. I don't know why most of these drivers are risk takers. Look at that one. But all in all, it's live. Hey, Cinda. Yeah, yuko kwa Claudia Works YouTube. Sawa. So guys, allow me to end this video at this moment. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.